Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'm diving deep into the best-kept secrets of travel that will change the way you explore the world. Can I uncover the ultimate insider tips before the trip is over? You know, as travelers, we're always on the hunt for those hidden gems that can elevate our experience from just another touristy trip to a truly unforgettable adventure. And today, I'm excited to share with you some of the most valuable insider tips that can help you do just that. When I think about the common pitfalls of traveling, a few things come to mind. Let's face it, travel can be expensive, and it's easy to get caught up in the tourist traps that can drain your wallet. And then there's the crowds, who wants to fight their way through a sea of selfie sticks to get a glimpse of the Eiffel Tower. Not me, that's for sure. Another challenge I think a lot of travelers face is the lack of authentic experiences. We've all been there, stuck on a bus tour, following a flag-waving guide, feeling like we're just going through the motions. And don't even get me started on the overpriced restaurants and souvenir shops that seem to cater more to tourists than locals. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid all that? What if you could travel like a local, on a budget, and still have an incredible time? That's what today's video is all about, uncovering the best-kept secrets of travel that can help you do just that. So let's dive into some of the insider tips that can help you save money, find lesser-known destinations, and enjoy more personalized experiences. One of my favorite tips is to avoid peak travel seasons. Not only will you save on flights and accommodations, but you'll also avoid the crowds and chaos that come with them. Another tip is to look for hidden gems in your destination, those secret spots that only locals know about. Maybe it's a tiny cafe tucked away in a quiet alley, or a secret garden hidden behind a historic landmark. Whatever it is, I guarantee you'll have a more authentic experience than you would at some overpriced tourist trap. One more thing, don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Travel is all about stepping outside your comfort zone, so don't be afraid to take that cooking class, or go on a spontaneous hike, or even try that weird local delicacy. But there's one more thing, something I like to call the ultimate travel secret. This is the game changer, the secret that can take your travel experience from good to amazing. Are you ready? Here it is. It's not about where you go, it's about who you go with. That's right, folks. The people you meet and the experiences you share with them are what truly make travel unforgettable. Think about it. When you look back on your travels, what do you remember most? Is it the famous landmarks or the people you met along the way? For me, it's always the latter, and that's why I think this secret is so important. Because it's not about checking off a list of tourist attractions, but about creating real, meaningful connections with the people you meet. This secret has the power to transform your travel experience, to take you from being just another tourist to being a true explorer, a wanderer, a seeker of new experiences and connections. And that's what I hope you take away from this video, the knowledge that travel is so much more than just seeing the sights. It's about the people you meet and the experiences you share along the way. So to recap, we've covered some of the common challenges of travel, and we've explored some insider tips that can help you overcome them. From avoiding peak travel seasons to finding hidden gems, and from taking risks to focusing on the people you meet, these tips can help you have a more authentic, more personalized, and more unforgettable travel experience. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got your own travel tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you want to learn more about traveling like a pro, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing even more insider tips and secrets. Happy travels.
Thank you for watching.